Okay, the functions f and g have, we already got that part, sorry. Evaluate this integral. Evaluate means find the value of the integral. So my thought is I'm supposed to be integrating f double prime of 2x. I don't have a graph. If I had a graph, then it's likely they would be wanting me to find the integral using area. I don't have a graph. I have a table. That often means they want me to use a Riemann sum, but they will always specify whether it's a Riemann sum or not. If I have a formula, a specific formula, something like x squared plus x or whatever, then I could just use my calculator. Can't use any of these methods because I don't have a formula. So I don't have a formula. I can't use this method. They didn't ask for Riemann sum. I don't have a graph. So I'm going to have to use the antiderivative method. So I have to come over here. I have to find the antiderivative of, so I need to find the antiderivative of f double prime of 2x. Okay? The antiderivative of f double prime of x, that antiderivative is just f prime of x. But the added difficulty of this problem is that I'm trying to find the antiderivative of f double prime of 2x. So I'm going to have to do a u substitution. So I set u equal to 2x. Therefore, derivative of u is simply 2. Rearranging, I'm going to get du is equal to 2 dx, or 1/2 du is dx. Don't forget to change the limits whenever you do a u substitution. So, using this formula again, u will equal 2 times the lower limit, which is, we'll do upper limit first, 2 times 3, that's 6. And then u will also equal 2 times the lower limit of 1. So this is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. So now I've got everything I need for the substitution. So my integral of 1 to 3 f double prime of 2x, that will equal a new integral from 2 to 6 of f double prime of u, because 2x is the same as u. Notice again the limits have been changed. And then dx is the same as 1/2 times du. So I have a 1/2 multiplied by du. We'll pull out the 1/2 because it is a multiplying constant. So now I have that. The antiderivative of f double prime of u is going to be f prime of u. So I have 1/2 f prime of u bar 2 to 6. All right. If you get to here, they give you 2 points. Trying to see how they will split the 2 points. They might give you one of the two if you have something prior that's the right approach. But if you get to this spot, you get 2 points. And now all we have to do is plug things in. So scroll down just a little bit. So this is going to equal 1/2. The 1/2 is a multiplying constant, so it can be factored out. And then we have f prime of 6 subtract f prime of 2, which is equal to 1/2. Now it's just table lookup. F prime of 6 is 5. While we're here, f prime of 2 is -2. So it becomes 5 subtract -2. Like that. You stop there, you get 1 more point. If you kept going and you ended up with 7/2, they'd still give you the point. But if you make a mistake, they'll take this point away. So 3 points total on that problem.